Minecraft won't let you create a ream. Here is how to get past the error. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are troubleshooting the couldn't create a ream right now error in Minecraft, a problem that blocks players from setting up new reams. This error often comes from server downtime, account sync issues, or temporary glitches. The good news, with a few quick checks, you can confirm the cause, apply fixes, and get back to creating your ream without interruptions. Method 1. Check Minecraft servers. The couldn't create a ream right now error in Minecraft usually indicates temporary server issues. To troubleshoot, restart the game and your device. Check the Minecraft status page. If there is any server outage, wait till the services are restored. Method 2. Verify device compatibility. Not all devices or operating systems support reams. Older systems may be phased out, so review Minecraft's upcoming over sunset announcements. Confirm your device is still supported for reams play. Method 3. Verify the ream subscription. The ream owner must maintain an active subscription for others to join. Go to main ream subscription in Minecraft. Confirm the subscription is active. Method 4. Flush DNS and reset network settings. DNS cache corruption can also trigger Minecraft error. To fix it, flush DNS and reset winsock. Open command prompt as administrator. Run these commands one by one. Restart your PC and relaunch Minecraft. Method 5. Change DNS. Press Win+R to launch the run utility. Copy and paste ncpa.cpl command in the run command box, then press enter. Right-click on the network services you use and expand its properties. Click to open Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. From Use the following DNS server addresses section and set the preferred DNS server addresses to 8.8.8.8. Next, set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Relaunch Minecraft and check if the issue is fixed. Method 6. Enable or disable VPN. If you are not currently using a VPN, try enabling one. This can help bypass network blocks by routing your connection through a different location. On the other hand, if you already have a VPN active, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes VPNs can interfere with Minecraft's servers. After making the change, restart the launcher and see if the issue is resolved. Method 7. Clear Minecraft cache. Cached local files may conflict with Minecraft and cause the ream error. Clearing cache forces Minecraft to rebuild fresh data. Follow these steps to delete Minecraft cache. Press Win+R, type %localappdata% and press enter. Open the Minecraft folder, delete the cache subfolder, restart Minecraft. And that's how you fix the couldn't create a ream right now error in Minecraft, by checking Mojang's server status, verifying your account and ensuring your connection is stable. You will clear the red blocks and get your ream running. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more practical Minecraft and Windows fixes, and share your own tips and comments, because your solution might help another player too. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.